Let's now take part in this fun activity. Click the correct option for each question. That's right. Well done. That's right. Well done. That's right. Well done. That's right. Well done.
Didi, where does a computer store all the data?
Just like your brain helps you in keeping lot of important things in mind, so a computer stores data in what is called a computer memory. A computer has two types of memory: primary or main memory and secondary memory. The main or primary memory is very fast. It is called RAM, which means Random Access Memory or RAM. The speed of the computer depends on the RAM. Data and instructions are stored in the main memory from where it can be retrieved from Central Processing Unit or CPU for processing results. RAM is the memory in which all the programs are stored. The speed of the computer depends on the RAM. Cache memory is a memory that is a part of RAM and is very near to the processor. It is used to improve processing speed. The primary memory is limited, so to store unlimited data, we use secondary memory. Any data or program that is kept in secondary memory has to be copied by RAM because the computer cannot process data directly on secondary memory. These are some of the devices which serve as secondary memory: pen drive, hard disk, and DVD.
So how does a computer stores data in its memory?
Computer stores all information in just two digits, 0 and 1. A single binary digit, that is, a 1 or a 0, is called a bit. A group of 8 bits is called a byte. Look at this table. It shows the relationship between bits and bytes. The instructions that are used to control hardware and accomplish tasks are called software. Software programs are planned step-by-step set of instructions that direct the computer what to do and how to do. There are two types of software: application software and system software. Application software is a program that helps the user to perform a specific job in a computer. Microsoft Word and OpenOffice Draw are examples of application software. The programs that are directly related to the computer hardware are called system software. To run a computer, you need an operating system, which is a system software. Let's now take part in this fun activity. Click the correct option for each question. That's right. Well done. That's right. Well done.
Geeta, all of this is so interesting. I have never used a computer before. Can you show me how to set up and work on a computer?
Definitely, Uncle. I will explain everything to you. First, let me introduce you to the various parts of the computer. This is the monitor. It is like a TV and is used to display the output on the screen. This is the system unit box. It contains a central processing unit or CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer. These are the keyboard and the mouse. They both are input devices by which we enter data into the computer. To connect the computer, first place the computer on a desk. Then set the system unit next to the monitor. Look at the rear portion of the system unit. It has all the connection slots for connecting various devices. Now, This is how you can connect the monitor to the system unit. The video port of the system unit is called VGA port. Connect one end of the VGA cable to the video port in the system unit and the other end to the monitor. A keyboard comes with either of these two types of connectors, PS2 connector or USB connector. To connect the keyboard to the system unit, plug the provided connector to the port in the system unit. A computer mouse comes with three different models of connectors: PS2 connector, USB connector, or serial connector. To connect the mouse, just insert the connector provided to the appropriate port in the system unit. Similarly, if you wish to connect a printer to the computer, just insert the provided connector, which may be of one of these two types, parallel port or USB port, to the system unit.
Thank you, Geeta. Now, how should we connect the computer to the mains electric board?
Simple. A desktop computer comes with two power supply cables. First, plug one power supply cable in the power supply plug in the system unit and plug the other cable to the power supply port in the monitor. After that, plug both the cables to the power plugs in a switchboard or the UPS provided. You can now use the computer.